Hi, welcome to GTech Techno Solution Private Limited. Today we are going to discuss about basic constructions. So these are the topics that we are going to cover in this session. We are going to study about the geometric box tools, the ruler, compass, divider, set squares, protractor, and important points for using the construction tools. So these are the geometrical box tools. Your geometry box will have a ruler, a compass, a divider, a protractor, and set squares. What is a ruler? A ruler is a flat and straight-edged strip whose one side is graduated into centimeters. And the other into inches. A ruler is commonly known as scale. It is one of the most essential tools in geometry, and it is used in almost all constructions. The basic uses of your rulers include measuring the length of the line segments and drawing line segments in a straight manner. So these are some of the things which you have to know about the ruler. Next, we have the compass. A compass has two ends. One end which holds a pointer, while the other end holds a pencil. It is also called as a pair of compasses. Your compass is generally used for drawing arcs and circles and marking off equal lengths without the use of a ruler. Next, we have the use of ruler and compasses. The better method would be to use compass to construct a line segment of a given length. For that, first we have to draw a line L and mark a point A on the line L, and then you have to place the compass pointer on the 0 mark of the ruler and open it up to the place where the pencil points up to 4.7 centimeter. So we are going to draw the measurement 4.7 centimeter in the line L using a compass. So our third step is taking a caution that opening of the compass has not changed, and place the pointer of the compass on A and swing an arc to cut the line L at the point B. So this gives you the required line segment of the length 4.7 centimeter. So AB is the required line segment. Next, we are going to study about the divider. A divider is a tool which is similar in shape to that of a compass except that it has a pair of pointer ends instead of the compass, which has one pointer end and one for the pencil. The basic uses of a ruler. A divider is to compare the lengths of the line segments, and it helps in avoiding positioning errors. It also helps in taking accurate measurements. So this is how a ruler can be used from your geometrical box. Moving on, we have the set squares. Set square is two triangular tools in your geometrical box, and it is known as your set squares. So this is your set square. One of the set square will be an isosceles triangle with two angles measuring about 45 degrees each. The other set square is a scalene triangle with two angles measuring about 30 degree and 60 degree each. The two perpendicular sides of either set square is graduated in centimeter units, and it is used for drawing right angles. So the basic uses of your set squares is for drawing perpendicular lines, that is right angles, and to draw parallel lines. So here if you see, one of the set square will be an isosceles triangle. The another one will be a scalene triangle. Next we are going to see how to use your ruler and set square to draw a perpendicular. Our first step is that we have to draw a line L and mark a point P. Note that P is on the line L. Next you have to place a ruler with one of the edges along L and hold this firmly. Next we have to place a set square with one of the edge along the already aligned edge of the ruler, such that the right angled corner is in contact with that of the ruler. So here you can see that the right angled corner is in contact with that of the ruler, and you have to slide the set square along the edge of the ruler until it is right angled corner and it coincides P. So here you can see that it is right angled with that of P. You have to slide the set square along the edge of the ruler until it coincides with P. At this point of time, your PQ that you have constructed will be perpendicular to L. Next we have the protractor. The protractor is a tool which is semicircular in shape, and the degrees are marked on it. As you can see, the degrees are marked from 0 to 180. The center of the semicircle is called as the midpoint of the protractor. And this is how you can measure the angle using a protractor. Your protractor helps as a reference point, and the horizontal line is called as the baseline or the straight edge of the protractor. So this point is your reference point, and the line over here is the baseline or the straight line of the protractor. And it is used for measuring the angles. Next we have the basic uses of the protractor. Your protractor is used in measuring angles and drawing angles. So, to draw an angle, we can use the protractor by using the baseline, the midpoint, and the markings that are present in your protractor. So here, to draw an angle of 38, we are measuring the angle by placing the baseline on the line. So now on construction, we get the angle to be 38. So let us see some of the important points for using the construction tool. Your construction tools in your geometry box helps us to draw smooth and thin lines. And it also helps us to mark points lightly with reference. And you have to maintain your tools or instruments in your geometry box with sharp pointers and fine edges for maximum accuracy. Some of the important points include: you have to keep 2 pencils in the box. One is for drawing lines and marking points. The other for using in the compass. So these are some of the points which you have to take a note of. Thank you so much for joining GTech. Hope you would have got a very good knowledge about the basic constructions using the tools in your geometry box. Thank you.